Hello guys, welcome back. This is Kaishiro. So we are here with Kenneth Mercader with his top 8 Centurion Horus deck profile on Asia Campus League in the Philippines this 2023. So without further ado, let's start. So Kenneth, introduce yourself first.
Hello. Ako si Kenneth. Ngayon gamit ko Centurion Horus deck.
Okay, so let's start with your deck profile.
Okay, so first, Centurion Monsters, 3 Trodea, 3 Primera, and 2 Emmet.
Okay.
Nag-iisipan ko na gawing 1 si Emmet kaso most of the time pag nabubunot ko siya, parang ang pangit na iset siya from hand.
Okay.
So, okay yung may extra kang pangalawa sa deck. Ayun lang naman.
Okay.
Then, sa Horus Monsters, of course, 3 MCT, 1 Duamutef, and 1 Happy. Hindi ko niraran yung pang-fort na Horus. Kasi, enough na yung 3 Horus for Coach King Giant Rain.
Okay.
Sa hand traps, finally may hand trap na ako. 3 Ash, 3 Maxi, of course, must have. 2 Veiler, 1 Dose Mourner, and 3 Imper.
Okay.
So, kung nakikita nyo, puro siya target negate. Mostly para sa Rescue Ace. Yun yung matchup na pinaka nag-worry ako. Pero wala akong masyado kalaman na Rescue Ace.
Okay.
Pero okay pa rin naman yung hand drop line up.
Okay.
Spells. 3 stand-up Centurion, 3 Emblema, 1 Fate. Hindi man kailangan explain to, pinaka-standard lang. Ako yung kakalimutan yung lock ng Emblema. Nadali ako sa Then, 1 Terraforming, extra copy ng Monster.
Okay.
2 King Sarcophagus. Hindi ako nag-run ng 3. Hindi ko enough na yung 2.
Okay.
Then, 2 Call by the Grave, 1 Cross Out. Para sa hand trap.
Okay.
And then, naka-main tayo ng Super Poly. Kasi maraming magandang target ngayon sa meta.
Okay.
Lalo na may Garura na tayo. Finally, 1 Root Centurion.
Okay.
For extra deck, 2 Legatia. Nag-iisipan ko rin na pwede siyang 3 copies. Pero hindi ko naman na-miss yung pangatlong copy this tournament.
Okay.
1 Crimson Dragon. Pinaka-play ng Centurion to. Yung target niya na ilabas sa extra deck is King Calamity. Basically, auto-win card.
Oo.
And Cosmic Laser.
Okay.
Yun lang for the synchro. Exceed. 1 Baguska.
Okay.
Yan lang yung nirad kong rank 4. Sa rank 8, number 38 and number 90. Monster Negate, Spell
Spell
Negate.
trap.
Then, Coach King.
Coach King.
Draw 3. And last sa rank 8, si Valir.
Okay.
Also may Zeus tayo and Typhon.
Okay.
Good for going second.
Yep.
Sa link, isang SP lang.
Okay.
Sobrang stable na to. So, piling ko mas-tab siya sa almost lahat ng decks.
Okay.
And super poly targets, Madragon, and Garura.
Okay. Next are other side deck.
For side deck, 2 Nibiru
Okay.
for the combo decks. 2 Droll,
Okay.
2 Ogre for mirror match.
Okay.
Though wala rin ako nakalabang mirror. 2 Ghost Bell
Okay.
for Labyrinth. Pero wala rin ako nakalabang Labyrinth. Then, Duster for Back Row Heavy decks. And Complete Cycle.
Okay.
Also, favorite kong trap card.
Give it naman.
And lastly, Red River.
Okay. So, any shoutouts before we end this video, Kenneth?
Ayun, shoutout sa kay Duis community. And thank you sa opportunity na to na makasama ko dyan sa Campus League. And also shoutout sa Team Salad.
Okay. So, thank you.